Hey guys, I am back for another little adventure. I've just been crazy busy and the weather hasn't been good to fly. I just haven't had time to get out, but I finally got a weekend where I'm not busy and the weather's decent. I've got a bunch of fresh vegetables and meat with me. I'm gonna cook some stew and just have a good time hanging out on this really cold winter day. So come along with me.
Dude, I've never seen the river frozen over like this before. This is crazy. It was like negative 25 degrees for several days, and so this whole river froze over. Now I just got to find a place to land, which is probably going to be a little bit difficult because there's like 1.5 to 2 feet of snow out here. Yeah, so I just haven't flown in like 2.5, 3 months. And the reason for that is not only have we had a lot of bad weather, a lot of snow and super cold temperatures, but I've also been doing a full remodel on my house. And so that has just been taking up every free minute I have because I'm trying to get it done by spring. I want to check this spot right here. I know this is a big open area. It looks like something was killed out on the water. This doesn't look like a bad spot. This snow here looks really deep though. Like there's hardly even any grass poking through. This is one of the spots that I went fly camping last spring. This doesn't look too bad. I mean, it looks deep, but there's this road here that if nothing else I can take off on. I think I will do it. Gotta put this away. Whoops. Oh. It's slippery. It's about 1 foot deep here. That's not too bad. Got a boot full of snow. That's cold. Clear out a spot to put all my stuff. Get this heavy thing off.
All right, I found my spot. It's a beautiful view. Yeah, I'm gonna get some stew cooking, and then while it's cooking, I think I'll get a fire built. I'm gonna find a little bit of wood first and see if I can find something I can use to put my cutting board on and chop all my food up. This will work perfect. Nice big slab of wood. I took some of you guys' recommendation and bought a ultralight camping chair. I'm really glad I brought it because it would be cold to be sitting on this snow. This is nice. Nice and comfortable. I'm off the ground. Well, I'm gonna make some hot chocolate quick and then I'm gonna start cooking my stew. Well, while I'm waiting on that water to warm up, I'm gonna start chopping up all my vegetables and my meat and everything. I didn't have a small cutting board to bring, so this morning I went and made this one real quick. Turned out pretty good. While I'm waiting for that water to boil, I'm gonna start getting some firewood so I can build a fire. I can warm up a little bit. It's pretty cold out here. Oh, this is nice. Just about ready to put the vegetables and meat in. I was cold, but I'm feeling really warm now. Look at this view too. Beautiful mountains all around. I think the stew is ready to eat. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Look at that. This is what I love to do with a paramotor. Just get out and cook some food, and I'm nice and warm. Got hot stew. It doesn't get much better. It's starting to snow though, so I need to get this stuff cleaned up and start heading back. And I'm a little nervous about this launch. This snow is really fluffy and really slippery. So hopefully I can take off. It's gonna suck if I can't. Well, I'm all packed up, and I think I'm gonna put the camera away now because that snow is getting here quick and I gotta get in the air as quickly as possible. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
All right, didn't forget anything. That snowstorm's moving quick. Gotta get out of here. Hopefully I don't blow this launch. Hoping I can do kind of a crosswind launch here. It's hard for me to line up directly into the wind because it's all hilly right here. I don't think I'd be very successful. Big gloves just make everything so much more difficult. Oh, this is gonna be tough. I can tell, but I can do it. Woo! Yeah, boy! There's my little spot. It wasn't as hard as I thought. All right. See if I can get my GoPro out here. That was successful. That was super cool. It's crazy how much warmer I am right now than I was on my way here. Like as soon as I took off when I was coming here, I was just freezing right away. But with all that hot stew inside of me, I'm nice and warm. It feels good. But I can feel snow hitting my face, so I don't want to stay up too long or my wing's gonna fill up with snow. Oh, it's really hard to gauge like where the ground is because everything is so white. I really want to take my trike out before winter's over with the skis on and do a fly camping trip somewhere really cool. Right now the snow's too deep. I think my trike would sink too far in the snow and I don't know if it would work or not. So I gotta wait till there's a little less snow and I gotta just wait for a nice day when I'm not working on my house. That's funny, look at those cattle. They just have a specific path that they just walk. Oh, there's a coyote. He was headed over here for these cows. Oh, he's gonna run across the river. That'd be funny if he fell in. Look at that snow over there. It is dumping over there. Luckily, I'm only a mile away from my truck. That ice is definitely not thick enough to land on. Look at all those holes. At least not right here. Oh, I can't imagine a more scary thing than landing on ice with a paramotor and then falling through. There's no way you're gonna survive that. I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but I'm just getting pelted. I made it. That was fun.